Well, getting towards the end of the time at Disney. Be leaving tomorrow, so this is pretty much the last day. No one wanted to wait for me this morning while I was formatting the memory cards, so I got a whole Skyliner to myself in peace for the first time since I've been here. And just looking at the Epcot line. The Epcot line went down yesterday. It's still down this morning. I spoke to a chap and said, is it still broken? He says, yes, it's definitely still broken. However, we like to call it routine maintenance. That sounds very familiar. But yeah, it seems though Epcot line's still having problems. But as usual, the Hollywood Studios line running perfect. So I'm now on my way there. A few minutes I'll be in to try and catch up with the rest of the family who abandoned me this morning because I wasn't quick enough. And I'm going to go across and to the droid depot and make a droid, I believe, today. I'm going to make a BB-8. My little girl wants to make one, so that's the plan first up for today. Park's already starting to get busy as people are coming in. You can see they're going on the car park. Car park's still fairly empty, but we are in the extra hours time at the moment. We're heading across, just gone 8 in the morning. Skyliner's opened at 8, so we're heading across virtually just after they opened, to be fair. And just want to get in the park quite early, get the droid depot done, and then I'm going to see if we can get on Falcon again. I've still yet to record any footage from onboard Falcon. Seems as though every time I get on there I get far too excited about what's happening and forget to start the camera running. But hopefully we'll try and get that done today. We're now approaching the station for Hollywood Studios. You see the gates are very busy. Hopefully that shouldn't be too much of an issue with the extra hours. We'll see. Probably still will end up queuing. Seem to do a lot of queuing here. It's just part and parcel of the whole Disney experience. Right, go to the lady. Okay, we'll do that then. What colour chips do you want?
Alright, then you'll get that one. Okay. So what I mean? Yes. What do you want?
A BB, 2 BB, so I'll do 1 and 2. So right there. So you got BB blueprint right there. In case you get a little lost. So you need one of these. That's how your BB moves. So grab one of those for your things. You see one. Don't worry, there'll be more. You need 1 set of shells. This size little BB head. And you'll need this to start BB caps. Make sure you grab that black thing first. Okay? Welcome, traveler, over here. Over here, traveler. On you go to number 3.
Here it comes.
And number 4. So we got 1 BB, so for a BB building, you need one of these. You need a shell, this size head, and a base. So your head's actually what you like, friend.
Alright, get that black thing. It's the black thing. Alright, what color do you want to make your BB-8?
So what else do you need? You need a top shell. So what colour shell do you want?
You need a red head and a black body.
Okay.
You need 3 legs.
How do I stand? I want the power line colors, but I can't.
Why are we making 2 red things?
We need something like that, is it?
Yes, here. Right here.
This one's free.
Yeah.
There we go. Make sure you keep the tape on our shelves, please. We're not assembling our droids now.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, keep the tape on. We're going to assemble our droids at the station, okay?
So what are we missing?
So you just need a head.
Oh, a head.
A small head. So let's go. These are your options right here for the droid now.
So we need. Is that like a head? Is these? Maybe that?
No, that's a lot of work. What's this photo? There's the head. What is
Which one do you want?
You need one of these. Here, take one.
That's for R2.
You need 2 rounds? You need 2 rounds?
That's R2. That's for R2.
What is this one for? This one's small.
You got one.
Is this one for BB-8?
Oh yes, yeah, it is. Yeah. Yes, BB-8.
Yeah, Daddy.
Oh, you pick one or the other? I'm not sure. They got confused.
Oh yeah, don't worry, the antennas are in there. So you have all your parts. You have all your parts. Are you ready to build? Let's go build, my friends.
Come on then, take them this way. Ooh.
You don't want to press that button yet, because now we're not going to activate anything. That's only for activating droids.
Oh, I'll step back.
That one there. This is if you need my help.
Ah.
Okay? You'll press this one, and it'll turn your light bulb on. It'll come right on. Okay? You stick your back. Oh, I like the arms and let's go. Here. So all of your BB unit droids will be right over here. We're going to start with number 1 and go all the way down to number 6. And if you need my help, just press those yellow buttons, okay?
Where'd you get your pipe? Ah. Silver or black? All right.
Right down here. They're like.
Alright, you gotta wait.
Yeah, you gotta push them in. You can't do it. This one?
I'm just gonna take off the plastic.
Oh yes. Thank you.
This is tricky.
This is a little tricky, you know, because BB units are round, so they do wiggle a lot.
There we go. There you go. Got it. Look, sorted. Got yours on?
I'll let you press the button. Press the button right here. Press the scale right here. Stop.
How are we doing with this one, okay?
Now with the other side. Open one.
We'll put this one in.
And that one's in there, all in. There you go.
I took all your tape off for you, sir. Now with these pieces, you want to make sure that you line up the red triangle. So you're going to put this inside.
Yeah.
And then you're going to put them right next to each other and then twist them so they're on top of each other.
Hang on. Spin it around. Spin it around. There we go.
So here's one down here. You're gonna put it like right over here. There, now twist it. There we go, perfect. Now it's nice and together. Okay, are we okay with this one? Yeah. Oops, a little loose. Okay. Oh, perfect.
You don't need it. We'll concentrate on doing your droid.
Your antenna out right here. And those are going to go on the top of your droid. Your antenna. I'm going to take these out. You already have your antenna on here. Good job. Here.
So.
So this right here.
Oh.
That's where it will sit.
Oh, blimey.
First, you have to put these together.
Ah.
So these are going to go together.
So stick this one together. Oh.
And then we're going to use this right here. We need your help for this, and we're going to make sure those are nice and tight. Can you press that right here? Good. And then this one right here.
I'm not going to do it too fast. We like to really roll. Right? Underneath the bottom one.
Okay, push it on.
Put that on top of your droid here.
Got it. 1 second. This top red button is like side to side. And it's the blue underneath and the same thing.
I like the black and red, Jack.
The shoe brown button, you're the same top with you.
You ready to push the trigger? It's like, no, this.
Good.
And down here. Alright, can I get a little quick time while I get your box?
They've got some chips as well.
Okay, so we're going to activate our droids first, and
And
then
then
we'll
put the
show you
chip.
how to put those
Okay.
together.
Oh, yeah.
Now, how about we activate your droid? Did you think of the name for this one?
No, wait.
Still thinking? Okay, that's all right. So, of course,
He's in.
sometimes you have to, get to know the droid first before you can give them anything. Alright, so this one is for her droid. So she's going to press the button, and then when it's your turn, we're going to press it, okay?
Do it.
This one's going to be for you. We're going to press this red button.
Push the red one.
When you see it light up. Not yet. When you see it big red light. Activated.
Wait, it's not red yet.
Not yet. Until it comes in.
No.
Very good. So now you're going to go through all of the last steps right here. Once you get all of it there, then you're going to put it. We will.
Oh. Wow.
The most important thing about a BB unit, though, whatever way your droid's eye is facing, that's
the way
it's
it
gonna
goes.
go.
Okay.
If you want your droid to go forward, but they're facing over here, then they're gonna go to their feet.
Ah.
So sometimes BB units might bump into something and we'll turn them all around.
Yeah.
So just make sure you know which way you want to go. Okay? I'll do that for you right there.
Right, you ready for yours?
Have you thought of a name for this one? Okay. It's okay, like you said, you have some personality. So maybe one together.
Do it. You got it. Yeah.
I guess we're gonna be really good friends then.
Doubtful.
Well, I didn't say that. I said the toy.
Oh, I would imagine there'll be some kind of conflict before long.
All right. So now, same thing. You have your red one here. Easy for you. Your red one.
turn them off. That's it.
So your droid will still
Is
be
that-
able to talk to you and then talk to the other droids. So you